Okay. And at the top of the news items as well.
Can you edit this bit on the home page that Tony was on about?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
I mean, it's not a lot of difference. It's the second paragraph.
Oh. Sometimes it says, are you sure you want to leave? Yes.
By the way, did we incorporate some of the comments Adrian made about, I don't know whether, was it in the homepage or was it in about Adrian?
It may, what if you're talking about emphasizing that it's Reuters, is that what you mean?
Yeah, I'll come to that.
Maybe, I can't remember. I did make some comments about emphasizing that we're talking about Reuters, but
yes,
that was for
right.
the welcome,
yeah.
For the welcome email, where it says welcome right. and talks about trustees and then talks about LSEG, which I just thought might be a bit confusing to some people who are not at all up to date with what's going on with their pension. So I just keep saying, you know, Reuters pension fund trustees, not just the trustees. That's all I would say. Things like that.
Yeah. What do you want to change on here, Angela?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. It's the first paragraph. The pension review group, and in brackets after group, PRG caps. And the first paragraph actually. With our new website, the pension review group.
Yeah.
It's PRG.
You want brackets PRG?
Yeah. Just so we can refer to this PRG after that.
Okay.
That's fine. Is on the campaign trail again. So it's that's right. That's it.
Okay. Is that it?
Yes, lovely.
Update. So then we can preview the change. There you go. That's it. Okay.
Yes. Great.
So while we're there, what I could do, I'll show you if you want to put a link into something. Ooh. It's extra slow because I'm doing the screen sharing. It's sort of extra slow, but that's okay. Oh, it wants me to click that I want to edit with Elementor. That's fine. Yeah, it's often when you do that, it says changes that you made may not be saved, but that's not true because we've already saved them. As long as you clicked update, it will have saved what you were doing before.
Okay.
But that's the trick with it. You just got to keep. It's like when you're working in any documents, keep saving it. Otherwise, it's annoying. So if you see here, we've already got some web links on this, so I'll use those as examples. So see where it says subscribe. That's what's underneath the subscribe. Can you see I'm hovering over on the left on the menu?
Yeah.
And that link comes from that's the I'll just copy the link. So if I remove the link, can you see there?
Yeah.
That when you hover over the link, it gives you the option to you can edit the link. Or those are blimey, don't know where that came from. Or you can remove the link. So if you remove the link, it stops. You can't hover over it anymore. There's nothing there.
Right.
But to put a link in, you highlight using your, click and hold your mouse over the word subscribe. And can you see that link there? Well,
yeah.
Underneath paragraph, that's where you you tell it you want to put a link in. I'm going to paste it back in again. fly.
Mm-hmm.
But if it was a new link you didn't know anything about, you could go and get the link from the appropriate part of either our website or another website, and you just drop it in there. So if it was a company name that you wanted to put on there, so I haven't changed anything.
So Adrian, when I corrected the link to the archive article that you changed the date on, I just went to the archive article and picked up, copied the link address from that article and then pasted it into the page in the way Jane has just done.
Yeah.
Right. I can follow that logically. Can you remember where you found the actual? Is it just the address in the when you open? So if you click on the archive item, and then it opens in a PDF. Are you then just copying the URL in the address line?
That's
or are you getting it from somewhere else?
I believe, yeah.
That sounds okay. Yeah,
if you go
I can do that.
Yeah, if you go to an archive article, Jane, you can probably, I think you have to be on the site. You can probably see that the address is made up of name and date.
Yes. Yeah, so that's an easy source for the thing you want to link to. It's just the same as it would be for any web page anywhere. Nothing different about it.
So you went and found that.
Yep.
And then you cut and paste.
Yeah. So you can see the address there is made up of the website address and then the date and then the PRG front page title.
Yeah, and that's what you then cut and paste that link into whatever you're doing.
Yeah. So what you've done by changing the date of it and putting it, in the right place was actually change the 2021-12/6 part of the date.
Yeah, change the address. And of course, where we've also got a lot of links is on the contact page, because we've got all of that lot, and those are all those are all links. You can have a look at those. So those are all links, and that if any of those ever change, that's where they are. So hovering over the Reuters Fund one. Yeah, there it is, reuterspensionfund.co.uk. That's mail to goes in front of email addresses, but WordPress does that automatically as well. If you put the correct syntax in for an email address, it automatically puts that mail to on it. And yeah, so that's where all those email addresses are. Web links are. So there you go.